Welcome to today's tutorial. It's simple. The same here is the finished product what we're going to be achieving, and now let's get started. Once you launch your CorelDRAW, alright, here we are. So what we're going to do, first thing first, you bring your ellipse tools, you create by holding down your control, you create the perfect one, put it in the middle, and what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this and put it at the front, the top rather, and bring one down and just skew this one a bit. I just trying to be very fast, and don't worry, it mustn't be perfect at first, and just make it perfect thereafter. Alright, so this is what we want. Now let's get started with our flower. The first thing is going to bring I'm going to use Bezier tool. You can use any tool of your choice, any you want. So the first thing, this is the edge of that particular flower. I'm going to do this, then this, then this, this, and this. Alright, if you have a better way of drawing your leaves, this is how I know it's much better to draw your leaves. So we're just going to remove this one, and also this one I'm going to make this place to be tiny, while this place is going to be tiny, and this place is going to be big. So what we are trying to create here is a leaf. There are also other tutorials which are done with how we can create a leaf, but let's follow this pattern I'm using here right now. Alright, so it as we do our leaf, and we're going to draw this laser showing the edge of the leaf. Alright, okay, I'm going to increase this place a bit. Alright, perfect. So this is what I want to achieve. Then I'm going to duplicate it as well, as you know already. Then click on it and rotate. I'll just click on it and rotate like this. Now you might want to duplicate it and also rotate it the way you want. Sorry, you might want to rotate it as well. I'll put it on the same place. Now we have you can put it on the same place, but I prefer if you're putting it on the same place like this, you're going to rotate it anyway. So like this and this as well. Put the note down here and rotate it like this. But one thing is, if you are duplicating this, see that the leaf are on the same side, but we don't want it to be on the same side. We want some to start here, while one leaf is going to be in this place, while the other is going to be where it is. Alright, it's going to be where it is. So you can just group the two of them by selecting group it, Ctrl G. Then once you group it, click on it to rotate it, then bring this node to the middle of this place. You're going to see it's going to show us center. Where is it? Okay, if it does not show you center, okay, here it is. Does not show you center, there are other ways to do it. You can just choose this one down to where the X is. Alright, like this. Well, since we already got it, so let's get started. I'm going to rotate it, and there you go. Ctrl R to repeat the steps. I'm okay the way it is here. Alright, I'm okay like this. Then also I'm going to click and make it smaller anyway, and click. Alright, so that's center, bring it to the center again. Alright, so I'm going to rotate it like this, so it shows that is the end part of the leaf. So I'm going to group this, Ctrl G, and pick it and rotate it this way. I'm going to bring it to the middle, make sure the middle stays on that one that serves as our tree. So how once you got this, just select both of them. I'll remove that so that I can use my virtual segment delete to eliminate a thing like this. So this is what I want. Alright, so click on this and delete it, then paste back the flower is just moved. I have to group them together, group it, so that when I'm putting on one color and removing the outline, boom, that's what we get. So this and this align it together and increase the outline to like 3 or 4. I think I like it this way. Then this one, I'm going to make sure I remove this tree and tap display, just skew it a little bit the way you want it to be, or you can remove it. Some people use it without something like this. So this is just to show the end point of the two sticks, or let me say the two branch of the flower. Alright, so once we got this, you can still increase it anyway, but I love it this way. You can turn this outline to shape. Turn it to shape, but before doing that, let me just scroll down a bit. So this is what we want, right? This is what we want, but let me just let it be. How many is this? This is 3. I can make it 2. Okay, standing enough. Yes, it's standing enough. Alright, so we have done that. Now the next thing we're going to do is I will come to this point. So what we're going to do is we can just place something at the middle, or you can leave it this way, the way you want to be using it. Alright, so as usual, let me just double this and duplicate it over there. So I'm going to turn this particular one to shape, this area and this area. Control Shift A, Control Shift Q. I'm going to turn that to shape and merge it. Alright, so now I can now highlight everything and paint it gold. You can see this is what we've achieved. So you can do it, just make sure you do what you want with it so that you can get a better result. Now everything together, I can weld it together as well. We call it, now you can put something at the middle. Look at this. I believe you can catch up to this area. You can pause and play at will. Increase it to 1.5. Alright, so delete this. I will not need it again. Then this one is satisfied. We'll come to the end of today's tutorial. Please share, like, and follow. Kindly follow so as for you to get some tutorial like this. And whenever I upload a tutorial, you'll be the first to know. Okay, this edges of this tree. You can just bring it down as well when you are doing your flower. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next class.